today's episode of the 4G63T Colt swap, we remove the dash in order to pull out the old wiring harness. We start prepping the engine and engine bay by degreasing, cleaning up, and swapping sensors. We take stock of our intercooler situation.
Alright, we got a black the engine bay.
Oh, you wrecked the heater core.
I mean,
You don't want a heater core?
oh no. You gotta bend it out a little bit. It's so soft, the metal.
Oh yeah, Kool-Aid man.
We'll round it out again.
I just want to use this guy.
So we gotta blackify it, which means
Yeah.
they're trying to get this harness
You gotta
out,
like move everything.
which is ultimately why they're taking the dash out.
I think that the wires are gonna stay.
And then we gotta get rid of the charcoal canister, get rid of everything we don't need. AC is stained.
out. Why? If the heater core is not stained, why is the
No,
AC
the heater
stained?
core is staying. I just need to pull the heater core out to get the
Oh, okay. All right.
harness out.
What about the donor motor here? Anything we've done to that guy?
What we need to do is we need to take the sensor from the other transmission there, the speed sensor from that transmission, and we need to take the reverse light from that transmission, pop those over. No harness.
Okay.
It should just, everything should be fine. It should work right in. This harness though, probably needs to be gone over.
See if we need it on and stuff.
Yeah, well, no, we need everything here. I'm just afraid half the wires are brittle and don't work because, yeah. No? Alright, yeah, I'll take one. And then we gotta black this motor out. And we gotta black the end. I'm trying to degrease this. There's just too much cancer. That's cancer, that's cancer, that's cancer. There's some more cancer here. Cancer's just been going hog wild. We'll cover it up though. No one needs to know.
Both tools.
But yeah, this has most of the tools. Over here, give you a quick rundown of the shop. We got
Shop run that.
air, we got heat,
Yep.
we got sound.
Yep.
We got most of my pliers over here.
Why isn't the sound happening?
I got some flat blades here, adjustable wrenches and Allens over here, screwdrivers in here, probably scattered about. American wrenches, the other metrics are there. Most of them are ratcheting. Got some Torx drivers here. Nothing we need here.
Measuring. Oh my
Bunch
god.
of
You do some snipping.
tin snips. Got, if you can't find the socket over here, I might have an extra one here, but we probably don't even need to go into this part.
Okay.
Got some, persuasion.
Dead flow. And I love those. Those helped us so many times at school.
I'm gonna need this for later. What do we got here?
So the yellow connectors go to the ECU, which stands for engine control unit. That's what manages your engine, spark
Makes it go-
fuel.
It makes it go.
Yep.
It's not that bad. There's like 4 bolts that hold it in. It's just you got to take these things off, which have Phillips heads. There's Phillips holding these on. There's Phillips holding these on. There's Phillips holding this on.
I have that.
That comes out. You take the cables out. You undo this one. You undo the speakers, and then there's the same thing. There's like a bolt hole here somewhere holding it in.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then there's one that are actually on this. I don't think there's any on the top. Except for, there's one back here in the center. And that's pretty much it. I mean, it's just like a skin that goes on. You're gonna have to disconnect this from here,
Yeah.
and then you just take it all out in one piece. There's not much else connected to it. And then you're gonna have have access to your box. Then there's 2 bolts on the heater core, but you gotta be careful because when you take the heater core out, you might leak coolant everywhere.
Coolant inside the car.
We're gonna have to put gauges in here anyway.
Just one. Just the boost.
Why don't you just bolt them right up here?
No, the boost is gonna go right next there on the steering column. Listen to me.
Mickey Mouse it?
Got this off. Yeah, it's like Mickey Mouse.
They are so perfect.
Are they? So they just Mitsubishi wins
Dude,
again.
yeah, like no doubt. They're speed sensors. This one's electrical from the, and then this one is mechanical from the. And they're perfect because look, here's a little flangey part where they kind of fit together, and the tens of the gears go to the same spot, and even the gears look exactly the same. So amazing. Mitsubishi wins apparently.
You know what that means? That means that the speed that we're going is going to be the speed that we're going.
That may not be true.
No, it is. No. It is because that one's directly attached to the axle speed, so it's rotation of the tire.
Yeah, but it depends on how tall your tire is. And you're like, oh my god, Ryan, I don't know if you want to put this back in.
Draw bearing and bad?
Maybe if we lube it. Oh, it's getting better.
We got a new one though. We got a new one.
Okay, it's feeling better already though.
I mean, probably because I blew all this shit.
Yeah.
I'm gonna blow it out.
I want to put lube in it.
Come on, but safety glasses and shit.
No.
What type of grease do you use for your throwout bearing?
You gonna use any because it's...
Oh god.
I know, it's bad, right? For throwout bearing, I would just PB blast it.
I got some high temp grease. You don't even use any grease on it, you just...
Well, first PB blast is like loosen it up and get all the shiznat out. And then if you have a needle for your like grease gun, you have a needle for your grease gun.
This is the key thing right here.
Don't lose it, leave it right there.
These retaining clips, you can't buy this retaining clip at the store. You get the throwout bearing, but you don't get the retaining clip. You gotta buy a whole transmission.
Why are you working on a throwout bearing? We don't even have anywhere near putting the engine in yet.
Dude, I'm doing
The
stuff.
engine's almost in!
I'm doing stuff, don't worry about it.
Yeah, Josh is like mad Frankenstein. Maybe if you guys, oh my god, there's a big crack in the dash, what did you do?
Where? It's been like that.
I know.
That's gonna work so good. Ow! What the hell? Smells like imminent danger. Here's
Everything.
14. And then the adapter should be in here, you said?
Should be in the big part of the tray, yeah. Or it's in the red box, but yeah, it's there. Holy spider!
Fire?
No, it's a spider.
Fire?
Wait, did you unhook this?
Hold up.
Don't kill him.
It's spidering.
Dude, spidering?
Yeah, I know. What's this?
Squirts. Whoa, 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 whoa! Just yank on it. That's for the squirts.
Hey,
Idiot.
man, cover your foot.
Watch the spider! He's gonna get you. Let's go look at some go fast parts.
Why?
Why? Go fast. We'll bring back some more cheese. Play it.
Oh, it's just beautiful.
Alright. We got a timing belt. Don't worry, we'll clear up the table after I put all these parts in. Timing belt kit.
That's fine.
Lifetime limited warranty.
Well,
Got balance shaft belt, regular pulleys. 3-inch exhaust.
I had a 3-inch U. I didn't realize you were making
3-inch 45.
I would have brought it by now.
Muffler. Piece for blow off valve. 3-inch flange.
Noise.
3-inch gasket.
Noise.
2.5-inch gasket.
Noise.
Slave cylinder. Knock sensor. Hydraulic tensioner for the timing. Windshield washer fluid. Receipts. Gaskets. Spark plugs. Clutch release program.
And we'll do a head-to-head comparison out there.
Okay. You're free.
Oh my gosh, the dash finally coming out?
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Not free.
whoa, whoa, whoa,
Not free. Not free.
Okay, go.
Okay, now we're free. Dash is out. Woo! Have 3/8 or what?
You want to see what Ryan did?
Yeah.
In his infinite wisdom? And his impatientness and hammer mechanic style?
With the extension.
See this, folks?
With an extension, regular extension.
You see how that's totally mangled and crushed?
You said a 12?
That's how heat
I
gets
have
into
the
my car.
extension.
This is my winter car. Without that, there will be no heat.
There will be no heat.
It's a rattle.
Stick a sock in it.
Oh god! There's mice and shit in there?
That's the side
Fuckers hide everywhere.
What is happening? Where are they coming from?
That's rat poison.
I was like, why is this a rattle? You're gonna get
There, it's
all
round.
kinds of booty.
It
Why
goes
go around
over.
the front now? Front now will go right there.
Yeah, but how do you run your piping?
Well, actually, he's
Under
right.
the bumper?
Yeah, I mean, look, yeah, there's no room to like run a
Proper tools.
unless
Probably
you lose
go
the AC.
under there.
It's gonna break all my tools.
It's gotta come out this side. No?
Let's worry about that when we get the engine.
Oh, well,
No,
we're
it's
kind of
kinda
identified the booty right now, so we probably should figure it out.
Yeah, if we have to cut holes now, I'd rather do it now rather than when the motor's in there. To tell you the truth.
Cut some holes then.
Alright, let's take this bumper off.
We're just gonna snip her up. You don't want to run this, really?
No, we're gonna run
It was good enough for that guy.
It has rat poison in it.
I got
He
two
has
more
two
over
more.
there.
This was just for mock-up. Which side is the throttle body coming off of? We could just be
Throttle
like,
body goes
boom.
on here.
We could just be like, boom,
Dude. Well?
boom,
Yeah.
boom.
I like the front mount the best.
Well, yeah,
right there.
we all love the front mount the best, but
We'll put it right where it says Colt.
No! I'll do it. We're not gonna get this done.
wait. If we just cut the radiator support out and then just do hood pins afterwards, right? Then we can lose this whole mechanism and that frees up all that room there.
No, that's gone.
No? I don't see where else we can.
I think it's gonna go right where right below where the license plate is. That's where we should put it.
Yeah, that's where it should go. But then how do you can't route this that way?
You are not getting pipes.
We don't have enough bends. We need more 90s. We need lots of 90s.
Let's get some bends.
Let's get some bends in here.
I have to help Justin remove the air conditioning.
All right, Josh and I will take the bumper off and we'll reassess.
In the next episode of the 4G63T Colt swap, pull off the front bumper to figure out how to mount the intercooler and associated piping.